Hello students, I hope you all have attempted the test given. Here is the solution for the same. Question number 1a. Due to rotation, the force that works away from the center of the earth is the centrifugal force. Second, in India, the highest tidal range is in the Gulf of Khambat. The main reason of wave generation is wind. Fourth, the depressed portion of the wave is called trough. Fifth, when there is high tide at 0 meridian, the 180-degree meridian also experiences high tide. Sixth, the moon is closer to the earth than the sun. Hence, its gravitational force becomes more effective than the sun. Question number B. Name the following. First, movement of sea water, tides. Two forces directly related with the tides. First is gravitational force and second centrifugal force. Third, two types of tides. First spring tide and second neap tide. Fourth, tall waves caused by earthquakes in the shallow waters near the coast, which are very destructive. Tsunami. Fifth, the vertical distance between a crest and the following trough, that is amplitude of the wave. Sixth, in 2004, tsunami waves were generated because of the earthquake that took place near Sumatra Islands of Indonesia. Question number C. Draw label diagram. It is given on page number 12, diagram 3.8, neap tide. And second, structure of wave, page number 13, diagram 3.11. You can go through it and draw it from the textbook. Question number D. Define wavelength. First is wavelength. The distance between two successive crests and trough is called wavelength. Second, tidal range. The difference in the water level of the high and low tide. It is tidal range. Third, centrifugal force. Due to rotation, the force that works away from the center is called centrifugal force. So, in this way, these are the answers to the previous test which was given. Those who have attempted the test, from this you can correct it, and those who haven't, write down the answer and read it again and again thoroughly. Thank you.